Whether you're preparing to embark on a DIY remodel or are looking to hire contractors to do the renovation, there are many things you need to take into account to ensure that your project comes out within budget, on schedule, and just the way you imagine. And no one is going to tell you all of them in advance. You see, whether you DIY or hire contractors, having a successful renovation and remodel depends on you. There, we said it. You will be the most critical piece in your renovation journey. Every contractor, from the tile guy that says, but the floor isn't level, to the roofer that says, found 2 leaks, to the general contractor that says, the plans aren't right, we need to charge you an additional $10,000, is going to expect you to have an answer. That's why I created this course. I've got over 30 years of experience in real estate renovations and remodeling. The course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and know-how to effectively navigate the entire remodeling process like a pro. It helps you avoid costly 5-figure mistakes, effectively navigate issues, hire the best subcontractors for your project, and have fun while doing it. Before you start your renovation or remodeling, isn't it time you check this out?
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.